Anil Jaiswal, Polami Saha in Delhi for India Today.
There are cases of black fungus being seen in those who are not on steroids. So is mucormycosis a hospital-acquired infection? And is the wrong use of zinc supplements also a reason behind the spike in the cases of black fungus? Some experts say that government must explore other reasons and that the blame on steroids is disproportionate perhaps. Sneha Mordani with more on this.
Are hospital infections a huge concern with the growing epidemic of black fungus or mucormycosis cases in India? Yes, says the Union Health Ministry, issuing a detailed set of guidelines directing states to review their preparedness for infection prevention and control in hospitals. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has written to states to implement specific actions to ensure infection control in COVID-19 hospitals as per national guidelines for infection and control in healthcare facilities. The ministry has reiterated the need for meticulous adherence to infection prevention and control while managing COVID-19 patients on steroid treatment with comorbidities. Emphasis should be laid on surveillance of healthcare-associated infections with focus on ventilator-associated pneumonia, catheter-associated bloodstream infection, catheter-associated urinary tract infection, surgical site infections and gastrointestinal outbreaks. The directions come in the backdrop of Health Ministry making black fungus notifiable and making it mandatory for states to report both suspected and confirmed cases to the integrated district surveillance system.
Some of the hypotheses include maybe it is the supply of industrial oxygen which might be the reason. Only the presence of comorbidities might be predisposing patients at a higher risk to mucormycosis. Irrespective of what the hypothesis is, a competent mycologist, an expert in fungal infections, and a team of biomechanical engineers together should be able to investigate and find what actual cause is. Only then we'll be able to reduce the burden. Simply scaling up antifungal treatment cannot address the issue in totality.
There also could be a possible link between zinc supplements and a spike in cases of black fungus. Inadvertent pumping in too much zinc could be contributing to this epidemic.
We should look to see if there are environments that are favorable for the virus to grow in the body. One such environment is the presence of metals such as zinc and iron. Fungi love zinc. And in fact, our body's defense against fungi is to keep zinc out of reach of the fungus. By giving zinc supplements, for whatever reason, we are providing an environment that is rich in zinc. Whether this translates into increased growth of fungus and whether this increased growth leads to greater risk of mucormycosis needs to be investigated.
Medical experts by and large are now asking for a detailed and thorough investigation into reasons behind surge of cases of black fungus or mucormycosis in the country. They in fact are suggesting that the blanket use of zinc supplements could be one of the reasons driving up the surge. The role of metals in fungal virulence is yet to be assessed. It remains to be seen whether the Indian Council of Medical Research reacts to these suggestions or looks into these suggestions. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.